Good morning, everybody. There's where we are today. We are at Bowmans Beach Park on Sanibel Island. And I'm going to take you out and show you what's going on out there today. The beach is closed. The coronavirus has closed Sanibel Beach. So I just thought you'd like to take a look at the parking lot with nobody out here. So very odd to come through here and not see a soul. This is Bowmans Beach Bridge. There's a This is the new walkway out to the beach. This used to be all sand. They just put this in this year. And there you have it. Not a soul on the beach here. Look down towards Blind Pass. There are people on the beach down there. And it's a beautiful day to be on the beach. I did notice as I was coming up this way, there were a lot of cars. They would come up, see the roadblock, do the U-turn, and head back out. I guess they didn't know. All right. This is just a little quick view, a little quick video of how the coronavirus is affecting Sanibel Island. All right, thanks for hanging out with me today, and I will see you on the next video. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.